They will work with our yoga position and mobility our hamstring. So first what we will do our warm-up, which from legs we will work with our mobility and stretching. Then we change the can. So when we will do warm-up, we will not forget about our legs. Change side on ourselves. So good work. So we will pushing legs with our strange back, not strong back, and pushing 1, 2. You can do a little bit, 4, 5. After that, I will try to take my leg, just like that, take leg, but not like that, like this, okay? Our back side will be good stretch. So after that, I will take, I open my hips and warm up. So it's 2 and 5, good 4. Then we will do very beautiful, and because we will only started our stretching, takes like more for yourself. So work. After that, I will try to take leg, take my hip, 3, 4, 5, and try to take this leg in hip, 4, 5. Good work. I will come back in this. Take my breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. 1, 5. So amazing work, guys. I will put comments which exercise you